Hello everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your Canvas tutorial videos in your courses that are hosted by Vimeo to the new videos that will be hosted on Canvas Studio. And the reason we have to do this is because Canvas has decided to migrate all of their Canvas tutorial videos from Vimeo to Canvas Studio by July 31st. So what that means is that if you don't update your videos, they will look like this. So this video does not exist. That could happen to you if you don't update the ones in your courses. Many of us have these videos for our students, showing them how to do the different things in Canvas, and we'll want to change those. So on this Canvas community post, we'll find a link to this spreadsheet here, and I will share this link in the description for this video. And this is the resource you're going to need to update your videos in your courses or on websites. The steps to do this: you'll see on the left it's got the title of the video, then it has a link in this B column, it has the Canvas Studio link, and then this is the one I like, the Canvas Studio embed code, and then it also shows you the outdated Vimeo URL. So this is a way you can find the old ones if they've disappeared. So if we go into my Canvas course here and I click on edit, so these videos are embedded, and right now I have the Canvas overview, and it's nice that it has this title card, because if I go back to that spreadsheet, I can either do a Control F on my keyboard for find and type in Canvas overview, and then I'll see every time that word is in this spreadsheet, and I can tell right away the one I'm looking for is this one here, Canvas overview for students. That's the one I'm using in my course. And then I can go over to the new embed code, which is the Canvas Studio embed code in column D, and it's highlighted here in green. I can do a Control C or Command C on a Mac to copy that code. Then I'll go back into my Canvas course, delete the old one, and then embed the new one. And the way I like to embed is clicking on Insert, the embed icon, click in the box, paste the code, and click the submit button. I've just replaced it, and you can see it looks a little different from the previous video. Now I can move down to the assignments overview, and I could do the same thing. I could go back into this migration, look for the name of that video, and once you find it, you can easily go along that line and copy the embed code. And this would be the same process if you did links. You could search the link on this spreadsheet and then find the replacement Canvas Studio link and replace it there. Now I'm going to show you something a little different. So if you're watching this video after the video's disappeared, you might have to take this next step. If your videos look like this one here that say, sorry, this video does not exist, you might have to go to this step. What we would do is go into the HTML view, which is this symbol at the bottom. Next, you'll look for any Vimeo, anytime it says the word Vimeo, and you can do a Control F and just type Vimeo. That might make it easier to find them. And once you've found those, you can see I have 3 here. You can copy just that number next to the word video in the embed code there. So for instance, this one is 74886.284. I'm going to copy that, then go back to the spreadsheet and do a Control F to find in sheet, paste in that number, and right away it highlights that number. So that video, just by that number, I can tell that video was the assignments overview. And this way I can then replace that link or embed code if I need to. So in this case, I'm going to do the embed code and go back in there And here it is. I can either do it in the code if I want, just start at the iframe, and at the end of the iframe I can take out the old one and paste in the new one, or I could embed it the other way by using the rich content editor. And when we switch back to this view, you'll see I've now replaced that video there. So you might have to do it that way if all the videos are missing after July 31st and you get this "sorry, this video does not exist" image. Hope that helps. Sorry for the long video. Thanks for watching.